Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working. For the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case and open it again. Now, if it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. We have two options how to do it. The first one is to press 2 times and after press and hold for at least 5 seconds on the left or right earbud. Or you can use an application. So let's go here. Now scroll down, click Support, Reset to factory settings, Reset. Now close the case, hide the application, go to settings, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Cool. Now open the case and add your headphones. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!